Have you ever thought about how many trees die for us to do our homework?
But now there is a solution, and that is biopaper. Yes, exactly.
As you can see, biopaper works as a normal paper and also as a fertilizer that can contribute to the solution of the problems of deforestation and its consequences. But how do we do this? Well, by including nutrients necessary for the plant growth in the creation of recycled paper, turning the product into some kind of fertilizer. Remember that fertilizer is any kind of substance containing nutrients essential to the plant life. Now I don't have to feel guilty for using paper to my achievements. So, support the biopaper project, now with new pages. Haha, un gallo con tenis.
Hi everybody, today I came to introduce to our STEAM project, which name is Biopaper. Our project is based on two actual problems, which are deforestation and poor soil quality. Deforestation basically consists of the destruction of forests and green areas in order to make them available for other users. One of the main causes of deforestation is the harvest of timber in order to produce items such as paper. On the other hand, poor soil quality is a cause of different things such as poor crop rotation or poor fertilization, and also the farming of the same area over and over.
The first part of the process was extracting the fiber from the fruits, for after putting the fiber in the blender with water and paper. The next was pouring the mixture in a bowl and get mud water. Next was putting in the frame the mixture and get it out. For after putting in the frame in a flat surface and slowly quit other parts of wood. Finally, let the paper dry and put in the sun. The tools used was a bender, the frame and the big bowl.
One of the advantages of our product, besides it working as a fertilizer, is that it is easy to use, because the discard process consists of only placing the paper in the soil and watering it. This causes it to decompose and provides the plant with nutrients, so it is biodegradable, or it goes well with nature, and that is its main purpose. Another advantage of our project is how practical and easy it is to make it, as the process requires only simple materials that are often considered waste, making it very economical. The steps followed for the making of the project are also very simple and do not require any tools that are hard to find.
Chemical processes and structures involved. In the making of the paper, we involve fruit pulps, which contain mostly water, but depending on the fruit, they also contain vitamins and minerals that decompose into plants for them to obtain what they need. The fruits chosen must have nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium in their composition for them to be useful. The biological processes that these elements carry out are nitrogen, that makes fast and healthy the growth of the plants, phosphorus, that makes the root growth and the fruit development, and potassium, that make the plants overall resistant. About half of the world's tropical forests have been cleared. Forests currently cover about 30% of the world landmass. Forest loss contributes between 6% and 12% of annual global carbon dioxide emissions. About 36 football fields worth of trees lost every minute.
Benefits. It is biodegradable. It is made by 50% useless paper and 50% fresh goods. It is made of useless ingredients often considered waste. It is a fertilizer very easy to use, and it contains several nutrients that are beneficial for plants. All of those nutrients being from organic waste, making sure that it doesn't contain any damaging substances. Users' interaction. The paper is a little bit thicker and yellow than the normal paper sheets, but it has the same function. You can write, draw, fold it, and cut it. You can write with any type of pen, marker, pencil, paint, etc. After you use the paper and it is useless, instead of throw it in the trash, you just need to put it in the soil and wait it for degraded. And wait till the paper make the function of a fertilizer.
We as a team work a lot to make the project. We base our goal on the problem of deforestation and try to find a solution. Biopaper have a lot of benefits, and we are sure that if the paper is made at big scale, we can really generate a change. Using biopaper instead of the normal paper sheet, you can produce less waste of it and generate a better development for the plants. We can actually make the difference and achieve a sustainable future.